What should procurement teams verify before choosing custom event pins compared? Materials, finish, durability, cost, and brand presentation. The answer is not just speed. Buyers need to check whether the solution fits real production targets, delivers stable data, and reduces downstream risk for quality control, maintenance, and supplier coordination. This walkthrough focuses on the practical evidence a buyer should request before moving forward with a purchase decision. This guide compares 5 procurement variables, 6 event scenarios, and 4 evidence checks for custom event pin selection. Why event pin comparison needs more than unit price is only one part of custom event pin procurement. A buyer may receive a low quote and still face problems if the metal feels too light, the plating does not match the brand tier, the attachment fails, the printed artwork scratches, or the packaging slows event day distribution. Event pins need to be compared as physical brand assets, not just as a line item in a promotional budget. The most useful comparison starts with 5 variables: material, finish, durability, cost, and brand presentation. A zinc alloy base may support complex shapes, but final perception depends on plating and surface treatment. A printed badge may reproduce detailed artwork, but durability depends on coating and packaging. One event pins as physical brand assets 1.1.1 Why low-cost pins can still fail if finish, attachment, or color accuracy is wrong. The physical details of a pin affect how people use it. If the clutch is weak, the pin may not survive a crowded exhibition floor. If the color is off, the badge weakens brand control. If the surface scratches in transit, event staff may spend time sorting unusable items. Cost comparison must therefore include defect risk, distribution readiness, and the expected life of the item after the event. Material selection: zinc alloy, iron, brass, copper, and stainless steel. Material choice affects weight, edge detail, shape complexity, plating behavior, perceived value, and cost. 1. How material affects weight, detail, and durability. 2.1.1 Why zinc alloy suits complex shapes and dimensional designs. Zinc alloy is often used where buyers need custom shapes, raised detail, or dimensional effects. Iron may be selected when cost control and simpler geometry matter more. Brass and copper can support a more substantial feel for premium recognition items, while stainless steel may fit projects needing corrosion resistance or a specific surface character. 2. When buyers should prioritize cost versus perceived value. 2.2.1 Material selection for giveaways, staff pins, and premium gifts for visitor giveaways. The buyer may prioritize visual clarity and volume economics. For staff pins, durability and repeated wear become more important. For premium gifts, weight and surface finish can affect the perceived seriousness of the item. The material decision should be tied to audience tier. A strong buying decision depends on more than a good brochure. Teams should compare measurement range, repeatability, calibration method, sample preparation requirements, maintenance support, and evidence from real plant use. When those checks are completed before purchase, the business can reduce retesting, avoid production delays, and choose equipment with more confidence.